When the Integrator first came out, it included the so-called T1 quick release strap. This is the one that's attached by default to Integrators shipped out in 2025 and in the first half of 2026. You can recognize it by this black leather coating here. And the other feature is that the metal carabiner sits on the flying end of this strap here. So when it flies out upon releasing, it may hit the scope, and we don't want that, of course. An alternative called the V1 is also included with every Integrator, and the difference is that the metal carabiner sits fixed here and that the flying end only includes a lightweight D-ring which cannot make any noise and will not damage anything. We strongly recommend that you replace it before first use. The first thing you do is remove the T1. Just turn these horns here and then slide it underneath the molded webbing, like this. Then take the V1 strap here and the plastic tool that's included with the Integrator. Thread it through this clip here. And now using the tool, thread it underneath, starting from the second webbing all the way to the 6th or 7th. For larger vests, we recommend that you go all the way to the 7th webbing, maybe from size extra large and double XL. For small, medium and large, it's okay if you just go from the 2nd to the 6th webbing, but you can adjust this to match your preference. If you can't thread it all the way through in one step, you can do it in 2 steps, like I'm doing it now. I just go 3 webbings here and then thread again. And then go 2 more, like this. Make sure that these plastic horns are anchored well in the webbing. Then take the shorter strap that includes the metal carabiner. Make sure that the gate of the carabiner is facing outwards, like this, so that when the strap is attached, the D-ring can easily get released when pulling the quick pull tab, like this. Again, take the plastic tool and then in the second webbing or underneath the second webbing, just thread it through like this. Make sure it sits well, that these horns are attached to the sides of the molded webbing here. In the future, all Integrators will be shipped with the V1 attached by default, but for now we're asking our customers to replace the T1 with the V1 before first use.
The elastic cords on the back were designed to be used with the T1, but since you're replacing the T1 with the V1, you will no longer use them, so feel free to remove them completely from both sides.